everyone. So yesterday we have covered the topic that was letter writing. A letter is a form of communication that is used to convey a message from one person to another person. Then we have started that there are two forms of letter, formal letter and informal letter. We have studied the format of informal letter. First it's sender's address, then date, then salutation, after that message, then subscription, and at the end there is signature, or we can say name of the person. Fine. So today we are going to study one more topic, that is notice writing. So let's start. Okay, so the other topic of section B is notice writing that we are going to study today. Okay, so now the question arises that what is a notice? Fine. So a notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that had happened or it is about to happen. In short, I can say that notice is written to cover large number of people. When we have to give any sort of information to a large group of people, we write notice. Fine. Notices are always written for formal purpose. They are short and they are to the point, and they cover all the relevant information as well. Fine. So notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written for a large number of people. When we have to address a large group of people, we write notice. They are written for a formal purpose, that's why they are written in short and they are covering all the relevant information. So in notice you need to write to the point, there is no need to write extra. Fine. Whenever you have to cover a large number of population, then we used to write notice. Fine. They are written in short and they are written to the point, and they contain all the relevant information also. It is used to inform people about an event that is going to happen or an item that has been lost or found. Fine. Normally we write notice for these two purposes. First one is an event that is going to happen. For example, any sort of event. It can be like for annual function, a dance, a play, a flower decoration competition, or any such thing. And second, if you an item that has been lost or found, if you find any kind of lost book or pen, and you have to ask that whom does it belong to. So normally you have to address a large number of population. So at that particular point you have to write a notice. Fine. So I hope it is clear that a notice is written when we have to inform a large group of people. It is generally written to cover large number of population. It is short in size. We write to the point and we cover all the relevant information also. So a notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that had happened or it is about to happen. The normal two purposes are an event that is going to happen or an item that has been lost or found. It is always written to cover a large number of population. Fine. And they are written short, to the point, and they contain all the relevant information. Fine. Now let us study about the format of notice. One more thing that I would like to tell you is you have to write notice in your grammar notebook, and in your classwork you have to write format and example. Fine. These two things only will be coming in your notebook. So please pay attention and don't ask these questions again and again. Fine. So this is the format. The first and the foremost thing, a notice is always written on box. There is a box, as you can see here. A notice is always written in a rectangular box. Fine. First of all, we write name of the organization. After that, we write the word notice. After notice, date comes, then subject, then the main content or body of the notice, and in last we write the name of the writer and the designation, or we can say position of the writer. What position is the writer holding? Fine. So at first we have name of the organization. Name of the organization is written in the center. Then notice is also written in the center. Then date, it comes at the left side. After that subject, whatever subject is there. Then body, and at last we write name of the writer with its designation. Fine. Again, let me tell you, notice is always written in the box. So this is the format that you have to write in your classwork. First, name of the organization. Then you have to write the word notice. After that, date. Then subject. Then content or body. Then name of the writer, and at the end, designation of the writer. Fine. Now let us see an example. You are Rohan Kapoor of class 6A. You are the coordinator of music club. Now here, as you can see, the position, or we can say the designation of the writer is given. Write a notice to inviting students to take part in singing audition to be held in school auditorium. Again, as you can see, there is an event, that is singing competition, that is going to take place in your school auditorium. So event that is going to happen, and you have to cover a large section of population. There are so many students in school, so you have to write a notice. Now again, as you can see, I have written in a rectangular box, so notice always comes in the block. Fine. So the first thing that we have started is name of the organization. So here you can see in the center I have written name of the organization, that is Silver Oak School. Next thing that we write is the word notice. Here I have written in the center the word notice. After that we write date at the left hand side. So I have mentioned the date here, May 12, 2020. Then we write subject. So subject here is auditions for the music club. Then comes the body. So the body is the music club of our school is conducting auditions for this academic year on May 21st, 2020 at 12:30 p.m. Again, as you can see, I am writing to the point and all the relevant information is coming. In the school auditorium, all those who are interested in auditioning should contact Mrs. Shobha before 18th May. Fine, I have mentioned the date on which it is going to happen, place, time, and the interested students, they should contact Mrs. Shobha before 18th May. So all the relevant information is mentioned. After that we write name of the writer, that is Rohan Kapoor as it was written in the question, and at last we write the designation, and the designation was music club coordinator. Fine. So the format is name of the organization, then we write the word notice, after that date, subject, body, name of the writer, and at the end designation of the writer. And again I am telling you, notice is always written in a rectangular box. Fine. So you have to write this format in your notebook, and you have to write this notice in your notebook. There is no need to write any other thing. You have to write just these two things in your notebook. Fine. As you can see, first of all I have written name of the organization in the middle, then notice is written in the middle. After that date is written at the left hand side, then subject is there, after that body is coming, at the end name is coming, and then designation of the writer. Fine. So this was notice writing. I hope you have understood it. Fine. So let me quickly revise. First name of the organization, then the word notice, then date, then subject, after that content or body, then name of the writer, and at the end designation of the writer. It is always written in a rectangular box. We write notice when we have to cover a large section of people. It is always written in short and to the point, but all the relevant information should come there, should be there in the body, and you have to follow this format. Okay, thank you.